What is going on today, guys? As you guys saw by the title, we are headed off to the Adams Polish's Cars and Coffee. We have not had this event in over a year since COVID started, and now that we finally are having it, everybody is so excited. There are talks that this is going to be the biggest event they've ever had with over 1,000 cars attending, and I am so excited to be there. But as you guys probably saw on the little intro bit, my car is extremely dirty. You saw I washed it in the last video. But that didn't really last because it rained, and I figured, oh, I knew it was gonna rain. And I figured, okay, it's gonna rain maybe a little bit. You know, it rained like 2 inches, and it didn't stop raining for like 2.5 days. So my car got really dirty. So we're gonna stop first off at Auto Wash and give it just a quick power rinse off, and then we should be good to go. Cause yeah, I think it needs like a full wash. I can't quite get this with waterless wash comfortably. So let's get going. As much as I want to do a cold start, I can't because it's 6 a.m. on a college campus and I will be hated by everybody. So, normal start. The amount I want to open my valve right now, so much, but I don't want to be the jerk on campus. But let's get going. Colorado with a casual flex this morning, nothing too over the top, but a good sunrise, all things considered. Absolutely gorgeous. Out of nowhere, we got an old muscle car. Pretty sure he's going with us down there. Nice old GTO. That is a nice car. So I'm guessing Auto Wash is either going to be completely empty and there's going to be nobody there because it's about 7 a.m. on a Saturday, or it's going to be completely packed with everybody that is in the exact same boat as me, where it rained 2 days ago and they're like, oh crap, I gotta wash my car before the car show. So we will see when we get there, but I'm hoping for the first, but guessing it's gonna be the latter. All right, we made it to Auto Wash. It is actually empty. Very pleasant surprise. This is a very muddy bay, which is disgusting and sucks. 2, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5. $14 equates to 18 minutes. I want pre-soak. I'm literally just gonna clean off the back and call it good. Yeah, get all that dirt off. Alright, I'm putting y'all away because I can't do this one-handed. Alright, now that I'm somewhere where there's a bunch of people and it's not like quiet hours, I will be able to finally give you guys that valves open start that you guys deserve. But it's not going to be a cold start, it's going to be a warm start. But I've said in the past, I prefer the way my car sounds on warm over a cold start. So let's hear it. That was a mighty noise, dang. Okay. I ran out of time to fully blow dry it, which is why I brought my waterless wash so I can clear this all off and any other water that's still on there when I get there. But we gotta go. We're about 10 minutes away. Started about 10 minutes ago and I'm meeting my parents in about 15. So, let's go. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna find a spot to park inside the main lot. Yeah. If I do, it's gonna be way down on the far end. This is definitely one of the biggest ones they've had. Dang. No, oh, you're kidding. Got my waterless wash and my 2 towels. That's shocking. Dang. Okay, we're walking around a little bit. I want a Miata so bad. But also there's just a Lamborghini over there and nobody's even looking at it. Okay, as we're walking around, this is absolutely the busiest I've ever seen it. It's absolutely insane. Like, you can hear something's cammed over there and they can't even find a spot. Like, if you weren't here at 7, you didn't get a spot in the lot. That's just how it happened. And it's never been this busy before. Look at this thing. I like the license plate, Dad. Okay. Oh my God! 14s on your Corvette? Awesome. Oh, full on place too. That's pretty sick. That's awesome.
Like they went to a mine.
That's stripped out. Oh, I love old BMWs. Supra and oh, look at the turbo on that. What is that?
It's huge.
That turbo's bigger than my exhaust.
We were in here, yeah.
It's insane.
There's a bunch of other times.
Noble M600? That's pretty cool. That's no BMW, it's burning oil. So what my mom is saying is that all these cars, you can't find spots. It's kind of like watching a little car parade because they're all just driving around in circles all around the lot looking for a spot. They're not going to find one in this lot, but that doesn't change the fact that we get to watch them. Look at this. That's really pretty. Wow. Special edition Miata 720S Spider. So that's kind of what I want to do to my Mini. Just like full race kitted out and everything, because it's kind of just awesome.
Isn't that awesome?
Or this is, I love this Mini and this guy because he's got his Mini on his vest, and this thing is K20 swap. It's fully bonkers. It's insane. So I think there is so much stuff here that the best way to cover it is to start a montage. So we're gonna do a montage right about now. I was doing montage, but I have to stop the montage for this thing. This is a super light SLC, I believe, and it's a race car for the road. And by that, I mean it's literally a race car that is road legal barely. Like, look at that. It's, I believe, it's an LS engine with a gated shifter, and yeah, those are my tires, just wider by a lot. And it's absolutely mental. This event is absolutely mental. Ooh, bright yellow. I also absolutely love this Kia. It's awesome. Race car, very fast. This yours? Yeah. That's awesome, I love it. Oh, it is a manual, that's cool.
What?
It is a manual.
Oh, nice.
So, just parked out here in the middle of no man's land, there is kind of a Ford GT. Ford GT Carbon Edition. Just parked here. Carbon fiber wheels. These things are nutty. And the buttress, everybody talks about it, but that buttress is absolutely insane. There's also a 488 Pista with a Americana theme to it that I quite like a lot. This is gorgeous. So this is kind of like a complete race setup on this one, which is pretty cool, but also that amount of camber in the back tells me it's not used for racing at all. I also absolutely love this Stormtrooper. This guy is such a cool car. See, like, this is what they have for Adams, because it's basically just their tent sale, but non-stop. So if I had forgotten anything at the tent sale, I could have gotten it here. Also, nice. Ooh, 458. I still think those are some of the best looking Ferraris ever. So do you want your C8 in yellow or red or rapid blue with the tension blue interior? Because this is what I'd have. If you guys didn't know, I'm kind of a big fan of blue cars, and this is absolutely gorgeous in every way. So you got the Jdm Cars sitting here. R32, R32, R33 hiding back there. Look at this Bronco. This Bronco has a Bronco as its trailer. That's awesome. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. First off, the Bel Air is awesome, but then the fake lunch right here, that's so cool. I love that. Okay, whoop, something just exploded. K1 Vader. I think it's an Infinity with a body kit pretty much, but it's really cool still. I want to put these roadies on my car so bad. The Rotiform Aero discs. I think they'd look really good on my car. Nice. Frenchie puppies. They're so cute. I've been tasked to go get sunscreen, and I'm perfectly happy to oblige to that, because my battery's about to die and I have others in my car. Ooh, however, there have been a couple new arrivals. Okay, I thought my camera just died. There's been a couple new arrivals, including an M5 and these two 930s. These are dream cars right here. Wow. Ooh. This one right here, absolute dream. 930 turbo. One of the cops left their radar on. Fresh battery acquired, we are fully charged, and I got a second one in my pocket. I also got the sunscreen. Ooh, SVT Lightning. Those are fun. These things make a great noise, and they're stupid fast. I don't know how many of y'all saw the news. Ford is bringing back the SVT Lightning. They're bringing it back as an electric car, which kind of makes sense in a way. Because Lightning, electric, that makes more sense than the Mach-E in my personal opinion. I'm excited to see how it's going to be. I hope it's not like some lifted, basically discount electric Raptor. But I guess we're going to have to see what it does. Now I'm going to have to kill the video because music. Scissor doors on the Hellcat. Okay, gonna just accept that. I do like the windshield sticker though. The windshield sticker is something I want. Move over. 1016 Aventador? I dig it. I love the carbon on this thing. I think this has the full 1016 body kit on it too. Like, look at all the carbon it's got on it. That's pretty cool. This Rally E30 is so cool. I love it. That's awesome.
Just trying to be a grow enthusiast, that's all.
Yeah, it's just so cool what you do with this. Like, just trying to get the community. It's awesome. GT500. Pretty nice, pretty nice. De Tomaso. SF90? No. Maybe? I don't know my Ferraris. All I know is that I know it's new. Another road legal race car. Yeah, this thing is a little goofy in the best way. So cool. Our 888Rs with stupid amounts of power. The noises. That's really cool. I love seeing these little kid cars next to the adult cars. It's so fun. Look at this RX-7. Wow. This is clean. I like this a lot. Especially this color. Also, people bring their tractors, which is so cool. The tractors are awesome. First gen Tesla. The only Roadster that actually is going to make it to production because I've been delaying the actual Tesla Roadster for ever. I love this old Corvette. So pretty. Also this Acura. Little VTEC V6. It's an auto. Oh no, this is a manual. Nice. These old Volvos are so sick. I love it. He's making fun of the Challenger owners who don't take off their splitters. It's hilarious. Yo, look at the old Mini. That's awesome. That's so cool. Here we got some of the original supercars. An original 12C, a 360 and a 430. As well as, that's really cool. But 12C, a 360 and a 430. So cool. Go For It is so cool. They let you take either this C8 or the C7 ZR1 out on a racetrack with a driver that knows what they're doing. And they teach you how to race on a racetrack in that car. That's what my car's gonna sound like soon. Oh, these old cafe races are so cool. That is gorgeous. Wow. I love that. This was an awesome first show back. I'm so happy I was able to make it out. I don't know if I have anything else planned for the rest of the day. I will see. But I will pick it up when I get back to the dorms, or if anything else happens on the road. It looks like I'm chasing the Bacon 12C. That's such a cool car. That is such a cool car. I feel like following a supercar and expecting it to floor it is like the kid in Shrek who's like, do the roar, do it. Do the roar. Do the fast. Right? Right? Like, you get what I'm saying? Maybe it's just me. Also, convertible Mini. But, do the fast. Do the fast. But I'm just gonna keep staring at that ass until he leaves, or until I leave. I didn't realize my parents didn't put the donuts on the bottom one. That sucks. Good news is that literally all of it fell in this little trunk liner, so I just dumped it out onto the ground because they're all edible and biodegradable. Made it back to the dorm room. Real quick before I go in though, I'm gonna finish cleaning off my car because I rolled down my windows because it's nice, but I also washed my car, so they're all streaky. All right, I think that brings an effective end to today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This car show was definitely the best Cars and Coffee they've ever had. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned as I turn these wheels bronze very soon, hopefully once I get back home after finals. And I think that's about it. So, until next time, goodbye.